Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
So these are the operations of basic data types you can execute in your system whenever you are finding free time. Execute right side examples are there. Left side Boolean data type and right side and it is followed by the description and examples. Boolean is true or false, integer, float. So right side examples are there. You just practice it. And string and you can perform single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes, string method, concatenation using plus symbol. str of 5 exactly equal to 5 means it gives true. Right side examples are there, you can practice in the code. So these are the built-in data types in Python. Integer, string x is equal to pi coders, x is equal to 17, x is equal to float, x is equal to 17.5, complex x is equal to 7j, list, this is the way of declaring x is equal to red comma blue between the square bracket, tuple x is equal to parenthesis, collection of items, apple, banana, range of 6, dictionary x is equal to x is equal to collection of items within the flower brace based on the key value like name colon John, age colon 20. Set is a collection of items within the flower brace. Frozen set is nothing but once you declare you cannot modify. X is equal to frozen set of parenthesis begin, flower brace begin, a comma b within the double quotes and closes flower brace and followed by the parenthesis. Bool x is equal to true, bytes x is equal to pi coders. So then Python for data science cheat sheet. So I'll give you Python for the CyberSecurity cheat sheet. Means everything, all the concepts are built in the slide. That is called a cheat sheet. Then this example last class we have executed. Write a Python program to perform arithmetic operations using static input. I have executed. So before compiling, we are assigning the value that is called static input. And write a Python program to perform arithmetic operations using dynamic input. That means system is asking enter values of A and B, then we are performing the operations. Then same programs I have executed in a scripting way. That is in IDLE, this is scripting way. In order to move IDLE to scripting way, you need to give the command called quit. QUIT parenthesis begin parenthesis close. If you want to go to IDLE, you can type Python. You are going to IDLE. So these are the two programs. This is dynamic input. Okay. Then this program, write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations using dynamic input. So we have executed this program. Write a Python program to swap two numbers using third variable using static input. So here yesterday I have performed a equal to 3, b equal to 4. I am using logic t is equal to a. A will be assigned to the t, then b value will be assigned to the a, t value will be assigned to the b. So that is called swapping of two variables using third variable. That is called it. Then same, write a Python program to swap two numbers without using third variable and using static input. Okay, so a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, a is equal to a plus b. See here no third variable t. A is equal to a plus b means 3 plus 4 will be assigned to the a. Now a value becomes 7, a minus b. Recent a value is 7 minus b value is 4, 7 minus 4, 3 will be assigned to the b. Then a is equal to a minus b, recent A value is 7, recent B value is 3, 7 minus 3 is called 4, 4 will be assigned to the A. Print after swapping, you are getting A and B output values. So write a Python program to swapping of two numbers. This is one more way of performing. X comma y is equal to 30 comma 40. Print of x comma y is equal to y comma x. Print of x comma y. You can
Hello.
perform. You are
Niharika,
reading
I'm calling
30
from
comma.
Rightworks.
You are assigning 30 comma 40.
Why you not joining
Finally, you are
session?
getting output of 40 comma 30.
Why you not joining the
Then
session,
write a
training
Python
session?
program to print a string n times. N is equal to 5, A is
Okay,
equal to
you given
Python,
update,
print
right?
of A
Okay,
multiplied by n means A multiplied by 5. That means it will give output 5 times. You are taking input string is Python, A is equal to Python. Python, it prints 5 times. Python, 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 Python. Then Python collections are arrays, lists, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. See example. Arrays are used to store multiple values in single variable using square brackets. So create an array containing car names. Cars is equal to cars is a name of the array. Within the square bracket Ford, Volvo, BMW. In order to print, just type cars. It will print all the values. Then if you want to print the first element, cars of 0, that is called index position. Cars of 2, BMW. Then lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable using square brackets. List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. List items are indexed. The first item has index of 0. The second item has index of 1, etc. So like that, create a list. This list equal to apple, banana, cherry within the square bracket. Print this list. It will print all the items. Then if you want to access this list of 0, means first apple will come. This list of 1, banana will come. This list of 2, cherry will come. Then sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable with the curly brackets or flower braces. A set is a collection that is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed and does not allow duplicate values. Example, create a set. This set is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Print this set. I am printing the values for apple, banana, cherry. But index position it won't come for sets. Like this set of 0, it won't come because this is a set. Then tuple. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable with round brackets or parentheses. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchanged. Tuple items are indexed. The first item has index of 0. It will is equal to collection of items like apple, banana, cherry within the round brackets or parentheses. Print this tuple. Okay. It will also, you can access this tuple of 0 within the square bracket 0. It will give apple. This tuple of 1, it will give banana. This tuple of 2, it will give cherry. Then the last concept is dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs are written with curly brackets. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Create and print dictionary. This dictionary equal to flower brace begin, brand colon Ford, model colon Mustang, year colon 1964. So print this dictionary, it will print. See right side, I have done this dictionary. Same way you can perform. Then